Hey, I'm Tobie down at Prahran Market, standing in front of Damien Pike's fine establishment there. I hope I'm not pointing at some random person. I am now. Right, I'm going to show you guys how to cook a vegetarian dish today. This is almost like a vegetarian steak. It's whole roasting cauliflower. This takes quite a while to do, so it's not the kind of thing you want to do getting home late from work on a Tuesday night. The cauliflower itself takes about an hour to an hour and a half at 180 degrees. You can do all kinds of rubs with different spices, herbs. However you would normally treat a roast, you can treat this. I'm going to do it very simply with a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. So we start by taking these leaves off the outside. I also took a knife and I turned the cauliflower upside down and took the core out so those florets will release from the cauliflower quite easily. We'll start by getting a nice drizzle of olive oil onto there. You can be quite generous with that. And a good pinch of salt. Pop the cauliflower into a preheated oven on 180 for about an hour. And we'll do the same for 3 tomatoes and 1 red capsicum for the Romesco sauce. They'll go into the oven until nice and charred. To make the Romesco sauce, you'll need a food processor. Now, the capsicum and tomato have been cooking in the oven till they're really quite charred. When the capsicum was really black like this, I took it out and popped it into a bowl, covered with cling film so it would steam. That really makes the skin very easy to peel off. Start by putting 2 peeled garlic cloves into the bowl of the food processor, along with some almonds, and give it a little pulse to chop it together. Get some smoky paprika into there and some dried chili. Little pinch of salt, but we can always add more. I'm going to add these whole roasted tomatoes into there. Use your fingers to pull the stem out of that roasted capsicum and then just pull the skin away from the capsicum. It should just slide off. Pop the peeled capsicum strips into the food processor, trying to get out as many of the seeds as possible. We'll add some toasted bread into there. You can use stale bread as well. Now we can get chopping. With the processor going, slowly pour the olive oil in until you've got a really smooth consistency. Add in some red wine vinegar. Give that a little bit of a mix again. After having a little taste, I'm going to balance out the flavors with a little more salt, some paprika, and I'm going to add some parsley into there as well. I got my Romesco sauce there. I'm going to pop that cauliflower, oh yeah, straight into there. We'll finish with almonds on top and a little bit of chopped parsley. Give a little bit of a hit of olive oil and job done.